You're going to hear Legacy Builders Program probably a lot more in 2025 here in a week or two, okay? It's the end of December, and I'm cracking open a cool one because it just turned afternoon here on this beautiful day here in Salt Lake City. But Legacy Builders Program, okay, what is that? Is it a nickname? Is it a golf course? Legacy, okay, is it your legacy? Is that what you want? Is kind of a cool legacy? If you kind of croak and you turn to dust, or you're buried 6 feet under, do you want a good legacy? Or how would you like a pile of cash that you can kick ass while we're above instead of below the ground? I think I want a legacy, of course. You know, who doesn't? But I do like to make money and buy crazy stuff to put on my shelves, as you can see. Okay, but Legacy Builders Program, it's changed my belief that a normal person that has the ability to watch setup videos with no experience, like myself, can follow, set up a website, okay, put in some information, and just, if you don't understand, just replay that video on your, hopefully a laptop or a home computer, because I think this online business thing is always easiest if you can just put your cell phone on your desk here and kind of stare into a webcam, or maybe just follow, okay? But if you have a cell phone, you can do this business too, all right? No problem at all. But boy, if you can just sit and relax and not want to go to college, and not want to go to city college, and not want to get in traffic and go to work, and I'm not doing it. How would you like to get up when your body just wants to get up? All right, are you sick of alarms going off and then showering to wake up and get a gallon of coffee? All right, get your family to school, or kiss your hubby or your wife goodbye or hello, and 9 to 5 it. All right, hour to work, hour back, and before you know it, you only have a couple hours per Monday through Friday to really have the life that you wish you want or had. Watch life online or watch life on Netflix, okay? Or do you think you can maybe decorate like you went to Toys R Us and the Lego store? Okay, you went and bought a Suzuki hat from eBay. Maybe bought a light, one of those circle lights reflecting in my glass here from Walmart. Can you spend $24 for one of those? Can you get a webcam? I just use a Logitech 920. They're cheap. They're probably $50 on Amazon now. This webcam I'm using is like 4 or 5 years old. It's probably free right now somewhere. But do you think you can set up some certain things? You know, get a little business card, maybe get a domain name that says the900group.com. Okay, because everything I'm going to show you real quick, this is what I've done and it's working. So I can't be more to the point. I want you to copy what I do. Emulate, is that a nicer word? Because sometimes when you copy, someone's looking over your back in high school and they're copying you, the teacher will smack you one, right? Or if you copy too much, it's going to bum out and piss off a company that might have the ingredients to the best gravy or the chicken batter for KFC, or, there's certain things you don't want to copy. But guys, I don't mind. I make online business really kind of fun and easy. And the more simple I make it, the more successful I am. And by defining that, I get more pre-enrolls. I get people that actually join my businesses. I actually make more money. Because at the end of the day, isn't that the best? Come on. But you want to be in a mood of, oh, God, this is not really work. I'm not going to sit at my desk and get all grumpy and pissed off and work 9 to 5 and go home in traffic hauling ass and my car that probably needs new tires. Okay? I really enjoy just turning my webcam on, chatting for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, showing my screen, and then just do another video. Then I'm really good at email. I'll write a couple emails that are fun. Hey, what's up? Blah, 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 blah. Click this link. Got to go by. All of a sudden people, well, what are you talking about? What is this opportunity? Guys, just watch a video. Because everything I do now, if you join my legacy program, guys, it's all designed about just inviting someone to a link, the900group.com. Watching a short little video. If you like what you see, go to the next video. If you like what you see, there's the whole website right in front of you, and you can decide in and out. I don't have to take you by the hand And believe it or not, I really do enjoy recruiting and training. And it's because I've not been shy a day in my life. And I do love to chat and meet people worldwide. I'm not used to meeting people all over the world. I'm used to maybe down at the grocery store, my favorite gas station walking in, or maybe friends and family, of course. But when you're my age and you're literally meeting, I average about 5 people per week right now because I always am signing someone up in one of my businesses. And I like to get to know them. Where do you live? What's your personality like? Do you have confidence? Okay. And where do you live? What city? And I like to just go on my phone. I've got a bunch of computer screens in front of me. Believe it or not, I got 6 of them. It looks like the cockpit of the space shuttle over 747. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 big monster screens in front of me, a webcam. Then I got 2 big screens above me. Okay. And I just kind of dream. I just sit and go, man, I just met someone from Australia. And then someone from New Guinea, a little island outside of Australia, will join. Then all of a sudden, I don't know, you might see me on YouTube talk about Legacy Builders Program. What's this 900 group? What does that 900 mean? 1-900? Am I calling dirty phone lines and asking what they're wearing? No, it's a group where I want you to get comfortable making $900 a day. I don't mean a week or a month or a year. A lot of people don't even make $900 a year. And they've been doing this online business thing for 10, 20, 30, 900 years. I want you to believe that you can do it. Proof is in the pudding. You will feel relaxed and you will envision, you know what? This wacky guy that wears too much blue today is telling me that with a nice business card, a great domain name, having a nice, maybe upbeat message like through email, maybe posting on social media like these courses teach you to do. And if you don't understand, repeat. Don't understand, repeat. How do I set this up? Just watch the little videos, guys. Okay, just watch. You don't have to go to school. You don't have to go to a university or a city college, a night school where you go and there's just people, half of them are tired and drunk. They're like, I don't know. Oh, man, I don't even want you going to Job Corps or nothing. If you're watching me right now, you probably have a home computer or a cell phone, right? If you do, you got everything it takes. I just recommend a little this and that. And then watch all the courses that are going to be at your disposal. You're going to watch a course how to upload a website already pre-built. You just got to fill in a couple things, okay, to make it look exactly like yours. And that's it. That's it. Okay. So I'll just show you kind of what I do. If you go to corydraper.com, okay, let me just pop it up on the screen. Should be right there in front of you, okay, guys? I bought this domain name for $11 at GoDaddy. I bought these business cards at Vistaprint. So on a street level, I invite people to this corydraper.com because that's my name. And I just forward it to this free page here. If you want one, go to Linktree. See the little logo I'm pointing at the bottom. Now, Legacy Builders, do you see where I put it? It's my second income because believe it or not, I got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, I make money almost every day in all 7 of them. So if one goes away, I got 6 lifeboats. If one goes away, you see this hand coming? Guess what? I make it. I make it to the other side of the ocean. I make it to the moon and back. Okay? Guys, please don't ever focus on one income. That's just dangerous. In this day and age where you can have multiple streams of income by setting something up once and getting a web page like I have, where you can have any of your opportunities just right here. And if I don't like one, I just delete it. If I find another one, guys, if I have 8, you know, most millionaires have 7. I just read this the other day. Most multimillionaires have 7 incomes, not 1. Sure, some do have 1. But you know what? If you have a lot of money, don't you start investing in real estate and some other things, maybe some stocks. Okay, very common, very boring. But I'll tell you what, I'm not crazy, guys. And I'm older. I'm not relying on 401k and investments. Guys, I'm born in the 60s. It's 2025 in a week or so. Okay? I've been around a long time. I want my money now. And I'm being brutally honest. Okay? I'm not saving for a rainy day at this point in my life. Okay? I have bills now. I want to go places now. I want to do nice things for people now. I have Christmas in a week. I want to do some pretty cool things with people right now. Okay? But I'm not going to go to high school and city college and go back and do studying with courses that might even be printed a couple years ago. Because if it's in print, they could be outdated. The way that online technology is, holy crap, guys. I'm recommending online, fresh video training. That's what I do. That's what I watch and learn from. And this opportunity is all based on a digital product where people buy and you get a commission of 100% because when you buy these courses, you own them. And if you do what I do, configure the website that you're going to have, just fill in the blanks, watch the setup videos, and sit back and get interesting, get compelling, get fun, get funny, get funky, get crazy. Call me. Okay. Girls, though, if you're kind of a crazy guy, you know what? I attract a lot of crazy people. Oh man, we're all kinds of people, aren't we? So the 900 group, I just bought that and I forwarded it to a capture page, which you'll see a pretty lady sitting on a bed with her little pug-nosed dog. And from there, Michelle just takes over. Lovely lady, Michelle. She operates the website. She does all the trainings with her friend, Michelle. There's two Michelles. She has some guests that are just awesome. And they're all people practicing what they preach. I don't need someone teaching me how to make $1 million if they have not made $1 million yet. Do you know what I mean? I would rather learn from somebody right now. And Michelle is a mother of 5 and she has 6 grandkids, meaning she's busy too, raising 5 with a hubby. Guys, that's 2 full-time jobs. Okay. Some guys, and they're like, holy crap, 6 kids. What? I'm freaking out. But you know what? Michelle does it. And right now, I think half of them are out of the house, and she has grandkids too that she loves. And she teaches like a mofo, guys. I love her teaching. Everything she says, I agree with. And it's crazy. I should probably marry Michelle. If she's single, I might have to go and get on my one knee. And she'll probably tell me to get a haircut and shave and get all that crap off the walls. That's for my grandkids. Okay. So I really like the training. I really do. And I use it. And it really works because I do have 6 other opportunities online besides this one. I want you to learn how to kick ass online. If you're going to do an online business, I don't want you setting stuff up for a day, a week, maybe a month, and then you still aren't making money. You earn and learn at the same time. Learn, earn, learn. You know what I'm saying, Vern? Guys, I'm living proof. Okay, I've only been doing this online thing since April of 2023. So I got about 1.5 years experience. Okay, but man, I'm really good at what I'm doing. And that's making it simple, getting some business cards, getting nice domain names, and directing them for free through GoDaddy, where people just watch video. I want you to watch video. I want people that sign up with you to watch video. If you sell something, I want people to watch a video about it. Okay? I don't want you stocking stuff and shipping things and doing customer service all the time. Okay? If you want to, you can. There's a million jobs out there that will give you that, okay, you want some customer service? Okay, here we go. Here's 700 people on the line pissed off. Okay? I don't want that. I want people emailing me or contacting me going, you know what? I made $100 a day, but guess what? 3 days ago, I made 900. I'm like, oh my God, you just made $1,000 in 1 week just by making fun posts, handing out a business card, okay, doing something with traffic, doing something on social media that gets you attention where people just look and click, watch, and when they buy, guys, all the money goes to you. There's a one-time $29 fee. That is it. $29, you own the website. You can change the website. You own the courses that you're buying. I want you to just take it upon yourself because I've already talked 14 minutes. This is more of a video where you get to know me. I want you to trust me and know me before you go anywhere. Sit down and watch a video about something that costs you money. Okay? I'm here every day, guys. I'm every day on Facebook. I post all the time, everywhere I go. And today, I just got a 4,000th video on YouTube award. 4,000 from 1.5 years ago. Guys, I average 5 to 10 videos a day. My real name is Cory Draper. I've had the same cell phone, the same email address for almost 35 to 40 years. Okay? Once cell phones come out, boom. Once email came out, boom. I bought, my own name, and I want to just invite you to copy what I do. Please do. It's working right now. And if you have some styles and techniques that work, down the road, or maybe 5 minutes after you join this great company, let me know. Maybe I can make a video and help all of us. There's no competition. Hardly anyone knows about this opportunity. Guys, there's live support. There's live community where there's usually 300 to 400 people in this website arena where you can ask questions or just say hello to people all over the planet. Okay, there's how-to videos, setup videos, if there's anything that needs to be set up. The first thing you need to do is just set up your website with this opportunity. Get it done. Spend the day and get it done. Get yourself a free credit card processing company. I recommend Square, but there's Stripe, PayPal. There's a lot of ways to accept money. GPay, Google Pay, iPay. Okay. I recommend Square because they have a 4-payment plan. Okay. It's called Afterpay. But we'll go over this. I just want you to go to the900group.com or corydraper.com and just look at the videos. Just watch Michelle. I'm just popping up my business cards. There we go, guys. Sorry to stall there. I wasn't ready. corydraper.com, the Legacy Builders Program. It's a second button down. Or if you just want to go directly to the pretty girl with the little poochie, just go to the900group.com. Okay, so when you type in the900group.com, go here. Just put your email in. You're not buying nothing. Just put your email in, hit that blue button, watch a couple videos with Michelle. Sit back. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. Okay, I'm damn good at this business. I'm going to help you any way I can. And I want you to do the same because it's the right thing to do. We take care of each other, okay? We got each other's backs. That's just the way it is. And karma, call it what you want. But when you help people make money, I'll tell you what, I think it just comes back to you 5 to 10 fold. That's my opinion. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Looks like I'm at 17 minutes. I can literally go on for 5 hours and 17 minutes because I get nervous because whenever I make content or post about this opportunity, people will join or get a hold of me and it converts into things that pay bills. And it's just like, dang it. Why did I have this 30 years ago? Okay. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me anytime. I don't care, guys. Even if we have to talk on the phone, that's fine. Cory at corydraper.com is my email address. And on Facebook, go ahead and get a hold of me there through the inbox. Sound good? Okay, guys. Have a good day or night or afternoon. All right. Get a hold of me if I can do something for you. Thanks, guys. Bye.